tell me that. I've been washing in my since I was a baby, okay?
Good morning, Philippines! I'm gonna take all the shit off this rack.
Yeah, that's fine. And then you find it somewhere that just dump it, okay? Watch my camera there, not yet. This one off. This is really sharp. That's all my paintings that put it here. No, I'm gonna load that one over there because if I do something with it. That box, that's my box for painting. What is this on?
Motor.
Huh?
Motor.
Motor for your nose. That one too?
Winch.
For you, for you, for you, I'm a slave for you. Ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest. Till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck. Progress to a god from a goddamn mess. Hopeless, more tests. More blessed. Dug deep down trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest. I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts. Like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my devil when I do enough to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours. Steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to run my pain. I see something coming out of that rain. My team really not tame. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave.
Welcome to my life. Ito yung buhay ko, guys. Kinuha na naman namin doon. Kasi kailangan namin ng dagdagan ng shelves over there para malagay ito. Yung mga... Ganito siya, guys. So, hindi na yan magbabago. Yung paninigarilyo, yung pag-stock ng mga gamit, hindi na yan magbabago. Ganyan na talaga yan siya. Good morning! Good afternoon na, guys. Good afternoon na pala, eh. Ano, yung mga tomato ko, hinog na sila. I think, any. It won't fit anymore, Tommy. Oh my God, you go put upstairs, up there too? Goodness. Ito lang muna gawin namin, guys. Kailangan ko lang ito. Basura yung iba. That's it na, Han. Sabi pa niya, it looks good in here. Look what happened. It looks good in here.
Don't look at the rack. Don't look at that.
Yung rack case is sobrang taas na. So, sana magkasya itong mga ito. So, so for now, I'm going back inside. Can I go back inside?
Dry me out here.
Yeah. You know what, honey? I shouldn't be doing this anyway. It's your shit. Okay, hello, Rox. Good afternoon, Rox. Are you gonna say good afternoon, baby? Roxy, say good afternoon. Huy! Roxy, say good afternoon. Afternoon, everyone.
You're fine. Give me food.
Seriously. Hello! Hello, hello, hello.
Give me food and I'll perform.
Madilim ang bahay dahil sa madiling ilaw. Walang ilaw. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cook.
I know you guys are must you be climbing on me all the time? All the time climbing on me all the time?
He's sweat, guys. Look at him. He's sweating. Sweating. Anyway, guys. So, yun yung mga ganap namin ngayong araw. Oh, this one won't close properly. Look. Wala ka diha.
Let's see. I've never used it, so you have. So what's the deal? Oh, you probably.
No, don't start. There's something in there that probably... this one, oh? Oh, okay. Wala. Oh, this one, push this more. Push that more.
I don't think that's still it.
It's not. Yeah, it's really not good, huh? Yeah, we don't use it anyway.
Oh, should.
Anyway, guys. I will see you later, guys. Mamaya ako na yun tapusin doon. Hindi sana ako ngayon mag-vlog. Pero sabi ko, mag-vlog tayo kasi wala tayong vlog today. And then, ano ng oras? Almost 3 o'clock na ng hapon. Nag-start ako ng vlog. Naglaba ako ng bedsheets. Yung blanket na nilagay ko sa couch. Inano ko lang, winash ko lang. Anyan lang yung ginawa ko. Nag-edit. Nagumawa ng thumbnail. And then, napag-desisyon na namin ni Tami na pumunta sa garahian para ilagay yung shelves. And then, yung sasakyan ko nilabas ko para maano yung mga kalat doon, guys. So, anyway, so, yun. So, yun yung gagawin ko. Mamaya, continue tayo doon.
Criminals and resources to provide services to victims of My administration is restoring public safety. We're hiring more police, surging tough and dry federal prosecutors, increasing penalties for assaulting law enforcement and for dismantling Antifa. They don't want to mention that we're at the church. It's all Democrat. Everything is Democrat. All of these problems are Democrat cities. We don't want to say it, but it is. Here, President Trump in Kenosha, Wisconsin, at a roundtable today where he is thanking police officers. He's also listening to some owners of local businesses that were so badly damaged.
Han, you never wore shirt. If
Still got something to dry out.
Huh?
You still got stuff sitting to dry.
That's you don't have a lot of underwear, huh?
I don't know what I got here.
Huh?
Probably.
If it's nothing to be put in the dryer,
Lots
since
of socks I don't wear in here.
you do?
Yeah.
That's a nice shirt. Is there any pocket? No. It's a nice shirt, huh?
I do my whites as whites.
I do white too, hon. The whole white over here is everything is white what I wash. Don't even tell me that. I've been washing since I was a baby, okay? You've been washing when you were like no mama.
I watched it since I was 12.
You keep saying 12, honey.
Well,
me, when we were washing when I was 5 years old, okay?
And you still throw everything in together. I watched you do
No,
it.
I didn't. I do colors, hon. And then the white is separated. Seriously, and we never you guys never wash using your hand. We
No,
do
I
it.
don't wash with my hands.
Yes, we do. So now
I don't.
you don't have any. We cannot compare. We
That's right,
cannot
we can't
compare.
compare. We're more modern.
Because we are all like,
We're modern.
no, we are more cleaner than washing machine.
Okay.
Yes, we do armpits, we do quilio, where's the neck area. Yes, we do it like that. We wash every part of the clothes. We washed whole day in the river, and then we bring food, and then after that we go swimming, and then come home very pale, wrinkly feet and wrinkly hand.
That's from all soap we left in the river.
Yung iba masisira ba? Magagamit pa yan. Magamit pa yan. Okay. Ito oh, masisira ito oh. Lutuin ko to. Nahulog to ba? Ang dami. Oh my gulay. Look. Ang dami. Paano na ito? Ang
Kids are doing,
dami.
they're going out and partying because, hey,
Ito siya, yung tomato natin. Look. So yun, ang dami niya guys. Paano na ito? Look. Ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ito. When are you gonna end with your laundrying? Are you still talking to her? What happened? Hindi ko to natubigan ba? Saka yun. Pahinga lang kami guys. Katatapos lang namin kumain ng dinner. Yung kinain ko pala is yung dried fish na may halahan. We have to throw the garbage. Itapon ko lang yung basura. Okay, I'm gonna do the garbage guys. Ito ka lang sa sasakyan ko guys. Hinugasan ko kasi yung sa harapan niya may mga tai or mga patay na yung mga bugs kapag nagdadrive ka tumitigas, and then every time na dadalhin ko to sa car wash kami ni Tami, hindi talaga siya nakukuha pa so ini-scrub, inaano ko ng towel para makuha talaga siya. First time ko itong binibibi itong sasakyan ko. Hello guys! Habang kumakain kami kanina, sabi ko, oh, gusto ko ng ano, yung chocolate ice cream. Yung ano sa birthday, ano ni Ate Claire. Nag-dried fish ako kanina, sabi ko, sige, mag-ice cream tayo. Tapusin namin ito para mahugasan na tong container. Nakalimutan namin, nakapanood na kami ng isang episode ng Lost. And then, sabi pa ni Tami, asa na yung ice cream mo? Nakalimutan ko. Woo! Woo! So anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Manunood lang kami ng ano. Bye guys. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Say good night everything.
Hi guys.
Good night guys. See you tomorrow guys. Harrison, let's go watch a thing.
Come on.